Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are making this beautiful macrame wall pocket for this video. I saw such a pocket on Pinterest and after that I just wanted to try it and it turned out really beautiful and elegant. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So use something soft for the background like a cushion where you can pin up your project. A wooden ring like this, some cords. You need total of 48 cords of 100 inches each. If you want to save your cords from wasting, then follow this chart of mine and join one by one starting from the top. And you will also needing some pins. Starting with pinning up your ring like this. Then attach your first two cords with lark's head knot and secure them with a pin like this. Then attach the second pair of cords with a square knot. Then come to this 8 cords from the list and attach them one by one on each side. First pin up the 2 cords like this. Make square knot along with the previous cords. Take 4 strings and start making square knot all along. On the first row there will be 3 square knots. Attach total of 44 cords out of 48 cords with the same process and doing square knot every single row. The more you attach the cord, the more it's gonna get wider. If you wanted a wider pocket than mine, go ahead and attach some more cords. After attaching 44 cords, this is how it will look like. From here, we are gonna do the decreasing pattern. You have to reduce 1 square knot each time until you have reached 6 knots. Starting from the left side, leave 2 cords on the beginning and from the back. Then continue with the square knots. When you leave 2 cords every time on the beginning on every row, the knots will decrease automatically. And at last, stop when you count 6 square knot on the bottom. Then let's from the pocket, fold the corners like this and pin up so that they stay in the place. Now, if you remember, out of 48 cords, we used only 44 of them. We still have 4 cords left. Align them in 2 pairs like this and pin them up. Now, make a square knot with both the pairs. This both pair will go in this gap on the middle like this. Again, start making square knots along with these new cords until you reach the same level as the back side. After you're done with the front side, as you can see, the sides are still undone. So fill up the sides with the square knot too until you got a straight line on the bottom. And do the same with the other side too. Now come to the bottom part. We need to join them together. Leave this first 2 cords on the front and then take second 2 cords and keep them as a base and make a line of square knot with the help of the other cords. This way the bottom part will be completely sealed. Now this is how it will look like. And it's time to deal with the extra cords now. Divide them into 5 to 6 portions like this and take some small pieces of cord. Place one end of the cord like this while making a loop, and the other cords will go around the cords again and again like this. And at the end, pass the other end from the loop and pull the both end real tight. Now pull the cords to make the knots look tidy. Do exactly the same thing with the other cords as well. And at the end, trimming the cords in a same length. And look how elegant and classy it looks. I hope you guys liked the video, and do let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye bye.